OnePlus confirmed that the upcoming OnePlus 8 series of its phone will be all 5G enabled. Speaking exclusively to CNET, OnePlus CEO and co-founder Pete Lau explained that going forward we are all in on 5G. Taking note of how carriers are expanding their 5G coverage month by month, Lau said that it's an opportunity that OnePlus wants to capture. OnePlus 8 series is reportedly arriving sometime in April, and we already have enough information on what the new phone will offer. This time OnePlus could drop 3 models under its flagship series, including the vanilla OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro and a watered down OnePlus 8 Lite. The specifications of each model have already been leaked and they seem tangible at this point. So hey folks, this is Samir and let's talk about the specifications, features, release date and pricing of all the 3 OnePlus 8 smartphones. Excited? So let's get started. So let's start with the Lite variant. OnePlus is going Lite this time with a third model in its flagship series. The OnePlus 8 Lite will take on the likes of less powerful phones from the rivals with some upper mid-range specifications. I believe the reason why OnePlus is launching a Lite model this time because the pricing of its top-end phones is gradually matching that of Samsung's Galaxy S models, making it a premium category phone in India. While the specifications justify the pricing on the top-end OnePlus models, it is also becoming out of budget for users who once would buy a OnePlus phone to experience flagship specifications. As per a recent leak, the OnePlus 8 Lite will pack a MediaTek chipset, a first on a OnePlus phone. All the previous OnePlus phones have used a Snapdragon chipset, the latest ones to counter other top-end smartphones available in the market. The OnePlus 8 Lite will tone down things a little bit with the MediaTek processor, but that doesn't mean you get a stripped-off version. OnePlus is putting a 90Hz display on OnePlus 8 Lite along with a punch hole design on 6.4-inch display. Some leaks also suggest that there will be 3 cameras on the smartphone. A 48MP main sensor, a 16MP secondary sensor and a 12MP tertiary lens. It will also have 30W WAV fast charging. While the specifications look decent for now at least, the OnePlus 8 Lite is set to cost roughly equal to 30,000 Indian rupees. Talking about the OnePlus 8, the vanilla model in the OnePlus 8 series will be the OnePlus 8. It will pack the standard specifications that will be the basis for both OnePlus 8 Lite and OnePlus 8 Pro. According to a tipster, the OnePlus 8 will pack Snapdragon 865 processor and a 120Hz display. Moreover, it is set to have 6.5-inch AMOLED display with a punch hole design. There will also be a fingerprint scanner embedded under the display on the OnePlus 8. OnePlus is upping the internal on the OnePlus 8. For instance, the 120Hz display from its predecessor, the OnePlus 7. For cameras, the OnePlus 8 will have 3 sensors at the back, a 48MP primary lens, a 16MP secondary lens and a 2MP depth sensing lens. The OnePlus 8 will feature a 4000 mAh battery under the hood with 30W WAV fast charging technology. And the pricing of the OnePlus 8 is set to be around 40,000 Indian rupees. Now if we talk about the OnePlus 8 Pro, which is the higher end variant in the series, it is expected to offer top class specification that will counter the likes of what we have seen on Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra or even the latest Oppo Find X2 Pro. According to leak, the OnePlus 8 Pro will have a slightly bigger 6.65-inch AMOLED display with a punch hole design. Of course, it will feature a 120Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus 8 Pro will also rock a Snapdragon 865 processor under the hood with Adreno 650 GPU. The OnePlus 8 Pro will have a total of 4 cameras at the back. We guess there will be a 64MP primary sensor and a combination of ultra-wide angle, telephoto and macro lens. The report also suggests that the OnePlus 8 Pro will come preloaded with Android 10 and have a glass body. This hints at wireless charging capabilities that have so far been missing on OnePlus devices. So guys, which OnePlus 8 variant you will prefer? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off and I'll see you guys in my next one.